welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video on how to keep unnatural hair colors like mine in your hair as long as humanly possible, and how to get your hair really healthy when you have unnatural hair colors. I am a licensed cosmetologist, so I have an idea of what I'm talking about, and I've also had colored hair for about 6 to 7 years now, so it's been a while. Alright, to start with, I literally wash my hair once a week. If you can't go that long, maybe try just 2 times a week, because the less you wash it with shampoo, the less it's going to be stripped out in general. But another really big thing that a lot of people don't love doing, but it's like really key, is cold water. It is your best friend. It's going to keep your color in, it's going to make your hair super shiny, and it's just going to be great all around. Then, also, I use the S Factor True Lasting Color Shampoo and Conditioner. I've been using S Factor for about 2 years now. I really love it. It keeps my hair extremely healthy and super soft and all that good stuff. Then, when I get out of the shower, because I want my hair to grow as long as humanly possible, I use the Aveda Damage Control Spray. I love this stuff. It's incredible. And then to follow, I use Frizz Dismiss from Redken just to keep my hair kind of a little bit more silky. And then I love Moroccan Oil. This is like, hands down, the best oil I've ever used. And then when I do go about 5 to 7 days, my hair starts to get a little oily looking. So I love the Living Proof Dry Shampoo. This is one of my absolute favorites. I love this one. I love Big Sexy's Volumizing Hair Shampoo. Dry shampoo, sorry, not hair shampoo. Dry shampoo. And then I also really like the Bedhead O Beehive. Those are my top 3. I'm not a huge fan of any of the other ones, but the other ones might work for you. I have a weird thing with like the super scented ones, because they just, they're too much, and you can smell them like all day long, and it's just horrible. If you like that kind of thing, then other ones are great for you. Another thing is I do not blow dry my hair unless I absolutely have to. That is a big one too. Heat is one of the most damaging things you can do to your hair, so the less you can do it, the better. If you flat iron, try to flat iron your hair once every like 3 to 4 days so that your hair isn't being totally fried, and like try to do it on like a more medium heat. Like the highest I would do is like 350. It may take you a little bit longer to flat iron your hair, but it'll overall keep it healthier longer. And then if you curl your hair, same thing, try to keep it on a more medium heat and try to keep that to a minimum. The less heat you're putting on your hair, the better your hair is going to be. And also use a heat protectant. That's a big, big thing, I promise. Hair products are your best friend. And yeah, that's pretty much the rundown of keeping color in your hair. And my hair lasts about a month to a month and a half. The last color I just had literally lasted like 3 months. It would not come out of my hair. So it just kind of depends, I think, obviously how dark it is. That is a big one. But it's all in the washing and all that stuff. If you're washing it a lot, it's obviously not going to last a long time. If you're washing it less, it's going to last a while. And I know that's really hard for people to not wash their hair, but I promise you your hair will get used to it over time. You just have to be patient with it. And yeah. Well, I think that's all I have to say about this subject. If you guys have any more questions about this, just leave comments below and I will answer them the best I can. And if you guys want to see a video of what I use in my hair to color it, like what products, what I mix, all the crazy stuff, we can definitely do a video of that as well. Just let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. Alright, well thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good rest of your night.